Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Sanrio Office Supplies are probably one of the most adorable and functional additions you can make to your workspace, transforming mundane tasks into moments of pure joy with their iconic characters and vibrant designs. Whether you're a student gearing up for a new semester, a professional looking to add a touch of personality to your desk, or simply a fan of all things cute, these supplies offer a delightful blend of practicality and charm that's hard to resist. Get ready to discover how these beloved characters can bring a smile to your face and efficiency to your day. Number 5. FIOVER 5 PCS Quick Dry Gel Pens. Experience incredibly smooth writing with our quick dry gel pens. The fade-resistant ink ensures your work stays clean and smudge-free. These pens feature a sleek, stylish barrel for a modern and professional look. They are perfect for both school and work environments. Our advanced ink technology prevents fading, bleeding, and smudging. You can trust that your notes and drawings will remain pristine. With a multifunction clip, you can easily attach these pens to your books or bags. The retractable tip also prevents accidental marks. From coloring and doodling to detailed sketching and everyday writing, these pens are your ideal creative companion. They are great for any project. This set includes 5 black gel ink pens designed for your satisfaction. We are here to help if you encounter any issues. What we like. If you need a reliable pen for everyday writing, this set is a great choice. Its quick dry, smudge-proof ink ensures clean notes and documents, making it perfect for students and professionals alike. The retractable clip also adds convenience for carrying and preventing stains. What people say. The pen writes smoothly and the ink is a nice dark color. The design is super cute and looks great on my desk. It's a good size and fits perfectly in my pencil case. Number 4. Sonix X Sanrio Hello Kitty Phone Stand. Introducing the Sonix X Sanrio Hello Kitty Phone Stand, a blend of functionality and adorable design. It's the perfect accessory to add a touch of charm to any space. Bring your beloved Sanrio character to your desk or nightstand. This stand features an iconic acrylic Sanrio character, adding a delightful visual element. It's not just cute decor, this stand is fully adjustable for your convenience. Use it to prop up your phone for hands-free video watching or FaceTime calls. Designed with both style and practicality in mind, it features a vibrant acrylic character atop a sturdy pink aluminum base. It's a super cute holder that works as a desk stand or dock. Enjoy ultimate hands-free convenience. Whether you're catching up on shows or connecting with friends, this stand keeps your device perfectly positioned. Elevate your workspace or bedside table with this charming and functional accessory. It's the ideal companion for your cell phone. What we like. For fans of Sanrio characters who love to watch videos or video call hands-free, this phone stand is ideal. It adds a charming touch to your desk and provides a stable, adjustable viewing angle for your device. What people say. The design is super cute and looks great on my desk. It's very functional and holds all my pens and pencils neatly. The quality is surprisingly good for the price. Number 3. Sonix X Sanrio Puffy Laptop Sleeve. Introducing the Sonix X Sanrio Puffy Laptop Sleeve, designed for ultimate protection and cozy comfort. It's like a warm winter coat for your tech, keeping it safe and stylish. This sleeve offers puffy padded protection, safeguarding your laptop or tablet. Its quilted design ensures your device stays secure while on the go. Designed to comfortably fit 15 to 16-inch devices, it provides ample space for your precious tech. Take it anywhere with confidence. Featuring a fun and colorful all-over print with Hello Kitty and all her friends. It's a delightful design that showcases your favorite characters. Constructed from water-resistant nylon fabric and lined with soft nylon, it ensures durability. A secure zippered closure and inner pocket keep everything safe. This sleeve is compatible with a wide range of 16-inch devices from top brands like Apple, Dell, HP, and Lenovo. It's the perfect companion for your laptop or tablet. What we like. If you're looking for maximum protection and style for your laptop, this sleeve is the one. Its puffy, quilted design offers cozy padding, while the water-resistant exterior keeps your device safe on the go. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their 15 to 16-inch tech secure and fashionable. What people say. The design is super cute and the quality is good for the price. It's a great addition to my desk setup, very functional and adorable. The pen writes smoothly and the characters are vibrant and well printed. Number 2. For Candies Aesthetic School Supplies Set, Pink. Discover a complete stationery set designed for students and professionals. This all-inclusive pack provides everything you need for school, college, or the office. Keep your supplies neatly organized in this large, expandable pencil pouch. Its soft, waterproof material and multiple compartments make it both durable and practical. Experience effortless writing with these fine-point gel pens. They offer a comfortable grip, quick-drying ink, and come with extra refills for extended use. Add a touch of color to your notes with these eye-friendly pastel highlighters. Their versatile chisel tips and long-lasting ink ensure clear, crisp highlighting. Perfect for drawing and sketching, this set includes mechanical pencils in various lead sizes. The comfortable triangular grip allows for precise and enjoyable creation. From journaling to detailed artwork, this comprehensive stationery collection has you covered. It includes highlighters, pens, pencils, erasers, and refills for endless possibilities. What we like? This comprehensive stationery set is perfect for students or anyone setting up a new office space. It includes everything you need, from pens and pencils to highlighters and erasers, all organized in a cute, expandable pouch. If you appreciate a complete and aesthetically pleasing collection, this is for you. What people say. The pen writes smoothly and the ink doesn't smudge. The design is super cute and looks great on my desk. It's a great size for my pencil case, not too bulky. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Transform your space with our vibrant Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. It's the perfect way to add a splash of color and personality to any room. Decorating has never been simpler. Just peel these decals from the sheet, stick them to your wall, and reposition them until you achieve the perfect look. Worry-free decorating is here. These decals are designed to be completely removable, leaving no sticky residue behind, so your walls stay pristine. Beyond walls, they adhere beautifully to most smooth, flat surfaces. Get creative and decorate mirrors, furniture, or even appliances. This kit provides everything you need for a stunning display. It comes on 4 large sheets and includes a total of 59 individual dot pieces. Add a touch of artistic flair with these charming watercolor-inspired dots. The soft pink hues create a gentle and inviting atmosphere. What we like? For those who love to decorate without commitment, these wall art stickers are a fantastic option. They are easy to apply, reposition, and remove without leaving any residue, making them perfect for renters or anyone who likes to change their decor frequently. Add a splash of color to any smooth surface with ease. What people say. The Hello Kitty design is adorable and adds a cute touch to my desk. The pen writes smoothly and the ink doesn't smudge, which is great for quick notes. The stapler is surprisingly sturdy and works perfectly without jamming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.